We are still trying to assess why there is an increase in number in Iraqwa or Ruzul Reef. However, we could say that for Sabina or Escoda is because of the extra attention that we have given to that particular show. For Iraqwa or Ruzul, we are still trying to assess. The GSOMIA is a very welcome move. This will help us secure the integrity of our communications. Even without the West Philippine Sea issue, we welcome the objectives of GSOMIA to help us secure the integrity of our communications. And they don't bring in other forces from the East Sea Fleet or the North Sea Fleet, then this is still within the normal range of their capability.
So ano yung abnormal? Ano yung abnormal?
The moment they bring in forces from the other theaters, the East Sea and the South Sea fleets.
Can you mention any numbers? Gaano kadami to say na abnormal na yung deployment?
It will depend on the total number of the Coast Guard, the Maritime Militia, and the PLA Navy under the South Sea Fleet. The South Sea Fleet open sources will tell us that there are around 80 to 90 ships and aircraft, ships and submarines. For the Coast Guard, roughly 25 to 35. For the Maritime Militia, we have monitored in the past 2 or 3 years ago a high of 250, even up to 300. So long as the numbers don't exceed what we have monitored, it indicates that this is still within the range of the South Sea Fleet capabilities to deploy forces.